And students will also have access to the OmicsLogic resources. But how does it help advance bioinformatics teaching? OmicsLogic is a portal for practical and theoretical learning of bioinformatics. It takes a combination of training modules, data analysis tools, curated project data sets, and interactive sessions with mentors to give the student a clear path up the Bloom's taxonomy pyramid. And no matter what the user's initial experience with bioinformatics is, OmicsLogic is a useful tool for gaining a baseline knowledge of the theory behind bioinformatics, analysis of large data sets, and introduction to basic coding languages like R and Python, or even beginning a data analysis project. And this also comes with an access to the example projects of different fields, which you could learn from and replicate for your research work. And users will also be given directions to access the T-Bioinfo platform for bioinformatic processing and analysis of data. And the platform includes demo pipelines as well as data management and analysis cloud infrastructure to run the bioinformatic pipelines. And different stages of analysis are performed in different sections on this multi-amp omics platform. Another important resource that you will get as a part of the program is access to the OmicsLogic code playground, which will help you develop coding skills while learning popular packages in Python to visualize, annotate, and analyze complex patterns in biological data. In addition, you will also get access to the Google Colab notebooks as a part of the training program. And with so much data available on any biological topic and question, completing a program seems like a great opportunity, but it can be challenging. And that is why you also have the opportunity to seek mentor guidance and learn alongside an international community of bioinformatics and data science enthusiasts. Now, as a part of the Biomedical Data Science in Python program, you will be mainly going through 3 major coursework, which includes getting started with bioinformatics. This is suitable for those participants who do not have a previous background in Python. And here in this course, you will be learning data visualization, reading DNA replication, and reverse complements using Python. And once you have finished gaining a basic knowledge of Python, you can next advance to data science courses. And to learn logical aspects of data science, one can refer to the Machine Learning for Biomedical Data course, which will teach you about the statistical methods where unsupervised and unsupervised machine learning methods will be used for analyzing biomedical data. Followed by this, we will be going one step further and learning more in depth about the data science using Python. And here elements of data science such as data wrangling, visualization, statistical analysis, and machine learning will be taught much more in depth using Python. And so now to view the various courses and example projects on the OmicsLogic Learn portal, you need to first sign up on the portal. Before that, let me walk you through a brief demo on what a completed profile on the portal looks like. So once you sign up on the Learn portal, these are the features that you need to update on your account, which includes a profile image, full name with appropriate capitalization, link to your social media handles, a brief bio about yourself that will consist of your educational background and research interest. And the mentors can view your activity under the Activity tab. The courses you are currently completing will show up under the Courses tab. And finally, once you complete the courses, the certificates will appear under the Certificates tab. And so now with that, let us begin by signing up on the OmicsLogic Learn portal. I am sharing the link to the Learn portal in the chat box. All right, so for now, those participants who do not have a previous account on the portal, let me show you how you can sign up. So you can simply click on the tab that says Create an Account option that you see here. And here you can simply enter your name, email ID, and give a password. Or you also have the option to log in using any of your social media handles. So this could be your Google, Facebook, Apple account, GitHub account, or even Twitter. And for those participants who already have an account on the portal, you can simply click on Login Now option and sign in. And so with that, I would like to pause for a couple of seconds so that the participants can sign up on the portal. So once you have done sign up on the portal, please put a yes in the chat box. And if you already have an account on the portal, please put a done in the chat box so that I can get a fair idea about the participants. I'll pause for a couple of seconds. I'm monitoring the chat. All right, Monal says he is done. Please make sure to sign up on the portal so that along today's webinar, the program mentor will be showing you the various resources that you will be getting as a part of the program. And to take a look at it, it will be important that you have an account on the portal. All right, so we do have few done in the chat box. All right, I'm waiting for the 45 plus participants to let me know. All right, so I do have a couple of yes in the chat box. So I'm going to sign in on the portal since I already have an account on the portal. But along the way, if you're having any queries, please put them in the chat box. So once you sign up on the portal, this is the main page that you'll be seeing. So here, when you scroll down, you'll see a search bar that's asked for looking for a specific course. So here you can simply enter the keyword that you're looking for. So for instance, if you're interested to look for Python courses, simply enter the keyword Python and that will show up the various courses and example projects that makes use of the Python. So here is the first course that I was talking about, where for those participants who are new to the field of Python, then you can get started with this course. I'm sharing the link in the chat box so that participants can take a look at it. And this course, the Python 2 course, is much more advanced, and this is for participants who already have a prior knowledge of Python. So you can go through it and have a look at various courses and example projects that are there. So now going to the part where you need to update your profile. For this, you need to click on the tab that says welcome back with your email ID. So once you click here, you will see an icon that says profile. So once you click on this, you will be able to update your profile image. You can put your full name, make sure that it is in proper capitalization, add a bio about yourself. Here I've added my educational background and my research interest. And finally, you can link your social media handles as well. So in my case, I've linked my LinkedIn account and my org ID.